How to create and configure a simple form workflow on PlugiQ. Step 1. Create a new process. Click on New Process. Enter a process name. Add a description for the automation. Select the appropriate category. Choose the required options/settings. Step 2. Build the form. Click on Choose Blank. On the left panel, locate the Form section. Rename the section to Form Submission. Add form fields. Click the options below to Upload an image. Add a break line. Rename it to Welcome. Add a text field. Label it First Name. Repeat for other required fields. Add another break line. Rename it to Thank You. Step 3. Create Review section. Click the text icon and rename it to Manager Review. Add a drop-down field arrow, customize with required options. Add a text area field arrow, rename it to Comments. Step 4. Configure workflow. Switch to the workflow environment. Rename the first step to Form Submission. Enable email notifications. Set visibility. Click Set up Step Visibility. Define how fields are displayed: editable, read-only, hidden. Set the Manager Review section to Hidden. Step 5. Add Review Step. Add a new step arrow, name it Manager Review. Assign it to a specific user or email. Enable email notifications. Configure step. Set visibility rules for fields. Customize notification settings if needed. Step 6. Publish. Once all configurations are complete, click Publish. And just like that, your automated workflow is live. By following these simple steps, you've transformed a manual task into a streamlined, efficient process that works for you. Whether you're managing internal approvals or customer registrations, PlugiQ gives you the tools to build, review, and scale with ease. No more chasing emails or lost forms, just smooth, automated progress. Ready to revolutionize the way your team works? Head over to www.plugiq.io to start building your own custom workflows today.